Why, hello there. How's it going? We are Living Off the Market, episode 2. We have a screen. We have a Microsoft Excel file. We have a bunch of information about stocks. I've been doing some work while I've been hibernating up in the mountains and over the 4th of July. And I want to talk about, in under 5 minutes here, what I'm going to do on Monday. We're going to talk about long call options. That's what you should be doing in the market right now, because the Federal Reserve has a spigot of money that just keeps spraying into the market, and it does filter itself up to the better stocks and in the direction that the economy is going. So what we have here is I've gathered a bunch of information about stocks, and I gather this usually from a Google sheet that automatically feeds in like the things in like the current price, and then I do a bunch of analysis on it, and I've moved it into Microsoft Excel now because I really want to keep some permanent data and talk about permanent records. What if you had $10,000 and you wanted to try to triple it by the end of the year or even more? What would you do playing long call options? Well, what you get here is you get a bunch of ticker symbols that I have in a certain order. The price that they're at, like Twitter right here, is at $30.87. I think they're going to be a $35 stock by the election time, even more. So they're only 88% of how high up I think that they could go. So it's kind of like, well, what does that mean? That means you should buy a long call option around $35, buy a bunch of them, all the way out to like December or something. You're going to see them triple or more in value if what I think is going to happen, and it'll go over $35 a share. One stock that I want to really focus on today is USNA. Now, USNA is interesting. I just found out about them doing some research yesterday. And what they are is they're a health sciences company, and they got a patent recently for some type of like healthcare thing. It has quercetin and resveratrol, a couple of things that I have seen that have potential against the coronavirus, or at least keeping your immunity up and keeping yourself healthy, which is something I think is going to happen over the next several months as we combat the virus. Their share price, they're at $82.30 right now. I think they're going to at least be $85 or $90 over the next few months. So I'm going to get a long call option on them on Monday. So that's my stock pick for Monday, and then we'll do another video on Monday talking about later in the week, and we'll go day by day. But that's the kind of information you're going to get from this file, and we'll be talking about it. So good luck. Happy trading.